Hey guys, Ben here from Velflex. Now I want to show you, this is Cortez guys from Siser. Now we're here where we're using all the Siser products to create multi-layered designs. These things are so cool. Dimensional transfers, which we've been talking about, which is the hit going on the caps and the whole works. I'm going to show you how to do it with the Siser range of products, guys. So we have Easy Weed here in the pink and the blue. We also have the strip flock as well, and then we have the Brick 600. We're going to use these three products, the four different actual pieces of transfer, all in the one design. We're going to create a transfer that not only looks cool, but as you move it changes color. It's got that sort of build to it. So Cortez here, he came up with this. This is his own little design. So he's going to press that for us right now. Mate, show us how it's done.
All right, so first thing we got, Easy Weed Red. Tape it. And for hats, my best friend will be heat transfer tape, because you don't want anything to move on a complex design. Although it is a simple step, you just don't want any kind of mess up. So first layer, red. So cover sheet over it, and we're only tacking for just a couple of seconds. We don't want to fully cure the design until we get to our very last press. Okay. We slowly peel, just in case if we need to repress, so like that, just in case. You just tack it back down. Hit it with some more heat, a little bit more pressure. Up. We'll try this again. Slow peel, slow peel. All right. Now we move on to our next layer, which I guess technically really isn't layering. The design is actually butting or kissing up to each other. Just find the happy point, happy medium. Like I said, heat tape is my best friend, just to make sure nothing moves out of place. So now you're going to take your strip block. This is where the magic starts to happen. Again, you'll find your center point. This one, another 4 or 5 seconds. Since it's a thicker material, you want to really make sure that adhesive really bonds to the materials and the fabric underneath. So peel, peel. Now with your last layer being brick, since it's a thicker material as well, it will need to be a cold peel. So now this, since it is the last and final press, you'll press for the full amount of time, 15 seconds, and that makes sure that all the adhesive on every single layer really bonds to each other and sticks to the fabric. Make sure cold peel. So now we're just trying to draw some of the heat away from the carrier sheet and the material itself. Okay. Look at that. Nice and clean. So now when you tilt or turn the hat a certain way, you only see the red. Now you can see the blue.
Guys, now what you just seen there, so Cortez, this is using Siser vinyl, easy weed, brick 600 and strip block, guys. I know it's multi-layered, that sort of thing, but this is the type of dimensional sort of transfer that you can't get using flat matte. Like we've got Ultra Color Max, that's sort of thing for doing full color stuff. But now if you're wanting something special, if you're wanting to actually have a difference in the marketplace, getting yourself like the Romeo cutter, the Juliet cutter, you can cut any of these flock products, these vinyl products out and actually press them onto a cap to create something special and very unique. So guys, there we are, Cortez. Thank you very much, mate. That was exceptional. Well done, brother. And if you guys love this, reach out to us. We've got some other videos, some really cool things we've been taking videos of and photos of. All Siser vinyl that you can do in your own home with your own cutter with the full range of stuff that's available back in Australia. It's awesome, guys. Enjoy.